In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take any task you already have and set it to repeat on a schedule that fits your workflow, so routine work happens automatically without you having to remember it. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type ClickUp and hit Enter. From the results, click the official ClickUp website to open the app. If you're already signed in, you'll land in your workspace. Otherwise, sign in as you normally do and continue. Next, open the specific task you want to turn into a recurring task. This could be anything from a weekly report to a monthly billing reminder. Inside the task, look for the Dates area. This is where due dates and schedules live. Click Dates to open the Date panel. In the Date panel, select Set Recurring. This is where you'll define how often the task should repeat. You'll see several frequency options. Choose weekly if you want the task to come back each week. This is great for team check-ins, content reviews, or any regular weekly deliverable. Pick daily for tasks that need attention every day, like an end-of-day wrap-up or a habit you're tracking. Select monthly for things like invoices, retrospectives, or monthly reporting cycles. And choose yearly for anniversaries, annual audits, or once-a-year maintenance items. The key is to match the frequency to the real cadence of your work, so the system reminds you at the right time. You'll also see an option related to how the recurrence is triggered based on status changes. Under On Status Change, choose the status that should create the next instance, such as Complete or Done. Pick the one that aligns with your workflow's final state, so the next occurrence is scheduled only when you've actually finished the current one. This keeps your list clean and prevents duplicates. When your frequency and status behavior look good, click Save. That's it. Your task is now recurring. From here on, ClickUp will automatically generate the next instance according to the schedule you chose. If you ever need to tweak the timing or switch from weekly to monthly, just reopen Dates, adjust the recurrence settings, and save again. A quick tip. Give recurring tasks clear names and owners so it's obvious what needs to happen each time it appears. And if your team works across time zones, double-check that your due time makes sense for everyone. You've successfully set up a recurring task in ClickUp, turning repetitive work into a reliable, automated process.